Niue's Rugby Sevens team got thrashed in Darwin, Australia, as they ended with a disappointing 6th place in a qualifying round of the Oceania Sevens for the rest of the Year 7 series. Niue's team, which consists of all players from New Zealand except one from the island, won just one game against Tahiti. According to the Secretary-General of Niue Rugby Union, Dalton Tangilangi, Niue did very well considering other teams like that of Samoa, Tonga, New Zealand, Australia and others were training and competing for the Commonwealth Games months before. Niue was also invited to the Commonwealth Games after one African country pulled out of the Games. But according to Dalton, the invitation was only received 2 months ago. However, the committee had already decided that if an invitation was sent after March, Niue would not send the Commonwealth Games. The next Sevens tournament is scheduled for Brisbane in November. However, it will be a club representation team rather than Niue national side. Approximately 19 teams are expected to take place in the Hyperion Gold Coast International Sevens in November.